This is John with Cruising Addicts. We visited the Queen's Staircase while on the city tour of Nassau Shore Excursion through Viator while sailing on a Bahamas cruise. Sit back, enjoy the video, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more great cruise content, and check out our website, cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing.
Scrolling through my screen, searching for a dream. Found a channel that's got me hooked on the scene. Cruising addicts taking me on a ride. From ship to ship, they're the experts, they're the guide. Sail away, come aboard this digital oasis. Cruise ship tours and reviews, they're taking us places. Port guides, destinations, and your excursion too. Cruising addicts, they're the ones making our dreams come true.
Nestled in the heart of Nassau, the capital city of the Bahamas, lies a remarkable slice of history known as the Queen's Staircase. This iconic landmark only offers a glimpse into the rich heritage of the island, but also stands as a testament to the resilience and the craftsmanship of the enslaved Africans who built it in the late 18th century. The Queen's Staircase, often referred to as the 66 Steps, is a major point of interest for both tourists and historians alike. Constructed between 1793 and 1794, the Queen's Staircase was carved out of solid limestone by approximately 600 enslaved Africans. It was originally built to provide a direct route from Fort Fincastle to Nassau City, ensuring a strategic advantage for troops in the event of an attack. The staircase was later named in honor of Queen Victoria, who reigned over the British Empire from 1937 to 1901, and who was known for the role in the abolition of slavery across the empire. The staircase is ingeniously crafted, with each step representing a year of Queen Victoria's rule before slavery was abolished in the British colonies in 1834. Although commonly referred to as the 66 steps, there are in fact only 65 steps visible. The 66th step is buried beneath the pavement of the street above. Climbing the steps provides a serene experience as the towering walls of limestone enclose the path, opening up to the lush views of the Fort Fincastle at the historic complex. The area surrounding the Queen's Staircase is equally captivating. The staircase is flanked by a lush tropical garden, which adds to the serene and mystical ambiance of the location. The dense vegetation not only beautifies the area, but also provides cool shade, making the climb more pleasant. The sound of trickling water from an adjacent waterfall adds a calming presence, making it a perfect spot for reflection and relaxation. Today, the Queen's Staircase is much more than just a pathway. It is a cultural symbol of the struggles and endurance of the enslaved Africans who built it. Each step of the staircase tells a story of hardship and bravery, serving as a historical record of the colonial era of the Bahamas. It is a popular site for cultural tours and educational trips, helping to educate visitors about the history of slavery and European colonialism in the Caribbean. The Queen's Staircase in Nassau not only enriches the Bahamian heritage, but also serves as a reminder of the indomitable human spirit in the face of adversity. It remains a must-visit for anyone interested in the history and culture of the Bahamas and stands as a symbol of historical remembrance and cultural pride. Visitors in Nassau should not miss the chance to explore this historical landmark. Queen's Staircase is easily accessible from the city and is open to the public year-round. It offers not only a historical experience, but also a unique photography opportunity with its dramatic coral limestone cliffs and lush green setting. Tour guides are often available to provide insightful narratives that enhance the experience, delving deep into the history and significance of this extraordinary site. If you would like to visit the Queen's Staircase, book the city tour of Nassau Shore Excursion. We have included a link in the description below. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the thumbs up button liking this video. Also subscribe to our channel for more great cruise content, and check out our website, cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing.